guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, so I needed to do this video super quick, and then it's back to working on what I need to work on. So today we're going to be unstuffing my 1000 savings challenge. This is a challenge that I wanted to complete, and this is pretty much reusable. So we're going to go ahead and stuff this super quick, and then I'm going to tell you guys exactly what I'm going to do with the money. So I'm kind of like a little bit of wishy-washy on what I'm going to do. So, but I do know part of it, what I'm going to do, and then we'll figure it out. All right, so let's go ahead and unstuff this. What this challenge was, it was to save $1,000. Easy, simple way. Great for low income. You don't have to like stress yourself about trying to fill this all at one time. You have a little card here that every time you save $40, and once you fill out all of the spots, you will save yourself $1,000, in which this is reusable, and you have all of these nice little cute envelopes that you can put everything in it. So we are actually going to be unstuffing, and I'm going to open my money tray here, and let's go. So I don't think I have any 50s in here, guys. Yeah, so I think it's mostly like 20s, 10s, and 5s. So we're gonna see what we got here. And I was I think this took me, because I did this last year, and then maybe in the middle of last year, I cannot remember when I did this, but I did end up completing it, and I was like super excited. And I know I don't have, I was about to say, I know I don't have any ones, but look, I do have some ones. So the 20s, I think I'm going to have 2 little slots here. So I am going to have to, because I don't have any 50s that I'm certain of, because I think the 20s are going to be filled up. So let's just do, I'm going to do the 2 behind the 1. I didn't really think I had any 2s in there, and I didn't think I had 1s, but I think a couple of them I did do a little bit extra for the envelopes. So we are pretty much gonna see. And y'all, I am running on empty with my, like I told you guys, I had an emergency, and like things come in different ways and different angles at you. So yeah, so now I am like actually playing catch up. All right, so we are actually going to see how much we have. I think we may have a little bit less. I mean, not less. We have a little bit more than the actual 1,000 that's in there. It may not be too much, but I did a couple of them. I did do extra. So let's see. And like I said, guys, this was like an easy challenge. And like I said, you don't have a set date of when you have to finish it. You don't have a certain days of when you have to put money in there. You just put, I just put whenever I had extra cash in there, and that's how that worked. So, all right, so we're on our last one, and then now I can pretty much use this over again. So I'm just gonna take some of this, and I'm just going to basically clean off my board. And that's when I tell you guys, sometimes you might have to let it sit a little bit. It depends on like how bold your marker is, your Sharpie that you use. But and then I just basically just flip it over. It kind of pretty much just basically helps clean it. So now we're back to square one, where we can start this challenge back over. And that's why I tell you guys this is reusable, okay? So let's go ahead and count how much cash we have. So this should be super fun. And we'll see how much we have left. So I'm gonna put that there. calculator. So we got, right, so we got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80. All right, so we got 880 plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. All right, so we got 80. Then we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. All right, so we got 2, 4, 5. Y'all, I don't think I added extra in here. So we have exactly 1,000. So maybe, was that my other challenge? Okay, so we have $1,000 extra, so I don't have any extra. So I guess when I put this in, this was an equal, this was an even 5. So, all right, so that's what we got, guys. So we have an actual $1,000. Now, out of this $1,000, I am actually, for finishing the challenge, y'all, I am actually going to pay myself $100. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. So we are actually going to do, yeah, because that was like I said, with the challenges, I think you should pretty much reward yourself too, for actually even completing them. So, let me see here. Oh, I was like, where's my personal envelope? Okay, so we got personal here, and we are actually going to add this $100 to my personal. 20, 40, 60, 81. Because y'all, kudos to me for sticking with it, not digging in the envelopes, going back in there, grabbing money out of it. So kudos to me for actually completing this challenge. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 105. So I have 105 in my personal envelope. So that's what I have there. All right, so that's what I have there. And then this money here, I can actually put this inside of my wallet. And then this money, I think I may, I think for right now, I might put this in my savings account. I'm not sure, but I'm leaning more towards putting it towards my Discover card, because like I said, I need to get that knocked out of the way. So I think that might be a more smart idea, instead of doing it in my savings account. So I might end up doing it that way. And I need to get rid of, because I have a bunch of coin. So I guess I should have, y'all know what, let's redo that. Let's take these tops off first. Yeah, let's take these tops off. All right, that's what we got here. So we're gonna go ahead, because remember I did where I took all of my coin. That is so loud, right? I took all of my coin out, I rolled it, and then I put it towards my Discover card. So, alright, so that's what I did with that. Woo, and y'all, I cannot tell y'all how, like, just tired I am. So I'm gonna end up, after I get everything pretty much back in line, the girl's gonna have to take her a serious break. Not a serious break, but just a little breather. All right, so okay. Oh, look, I put a nickel in here, y'all. Ooh, let me get this nickel. I'm slipping. Oh, look, a penny. Y'all, what is happening here? Okay. All right, so we got nickels. All right, we got dimes. And oh yeah, and I did get these from the Dollar Tree, guys. So that's where these from. I showed you guys this in my other video, and I never did tell you guys where I got them from, but these were from the dollar store. I do like them because they're like holographic. They're super cute, and they're like tiny and small, so they're not like super huge. All right, so we are pretty much done. All right, guys, so thank you so much for chilling with me through this video. And please comment, like, and subscribe. I'm still catching up on my comments, and I'm still working on orders. So yes, and then I have to go through all of my messages and my shop messages and all that stuff like that, y'all. It's been like crazy busy, but so hopefully for February everything will pretty much be back lined up. So if you have not already checked out my TikTok, and my Instagram is called APinkeClothlife. And then, like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.